Hi everyone, welcome to Agile Tech, and today we'll be doing an introduction to Canva, and we'll be looking at some things in Canva, and I'll be very brief with it, just to make the video very short. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is actually type canva.com. Okay, and you have this home page here. Okay, here you can create design from scratch. You can create a design from scratch, and we're just quickly going to look at how it is when you create your design. And they tell you, what do you create? Are you going to create a whiteboard which is unlimited, a presentation? Are you creating a video? Are you creating an Instagram post? Are you creating a poster? Are you creating a logo? Are you creating a Facebook post, A4 document, Instagram story, your resume? You want to do CV, right? You want to do a story on it, infographics, YouTube thumbnail, whatever you just want to create. You have everything right here in Canva. Canva just made it so easy for you. And at your left side, you have I'm currently using the free version. Okay, you can actually, we'll get to that. And here you have your home, you have your templates, you have your projects. Okay, and here you have your brands, content planner, discover apps, and your smart mockups. Okay, and invite teams, and here you have your trash. Now we'll be looking at them one after the other. First of all, you can create the designs you want to create. Okay, and we have them all here. If you want to create, for example, an A4 document, you can right click and click on this, and it gives you a sample. This is an A4 document, and it gives you, here you have preset templates, and you can work with, or you can just come up with the ideas you have on how the documents you want to work on is. Now, very important, we have elements. Elements is where you have your shapes you want to work with, and you can actually search anything from Canva on the kinds of elements you're looking for. Is it lines? Is it frames? Is it arrow? We have square, borders, and the list goes on and on. Hearts, and Canva has really improved over the years, and they've made everything you want, you can possibly think about, to be in them. Okay, it's one of the most so easy graphical package you could ever lay your hands on. And the good thing about it is online, and that means that you need to have a form of internet connection. Here you have your uploads, and this is where you get to upload images you want to use in the designs. You can come here to upload, and you can choose from which of the directory you want to upload it from. Okay, you can choose for where you want to upload it from, and I'm going to click cancel here. And here you have your videos. You can upload videos either from your Google Drive, from your Dropbox, from Facebook itself. Of course, you have to connect your account to it to be able to do that. Okay, if you connect your account to Google Drive, you connect to Dropbox, you connect to Facebook, and the likes of that. The same thing with audio. You have, if you want to upload, you could do that. So I'm not going to create an account. It's quite easy. Just click on it. You're going to sign in. But let me just show you for the sake of emphasis. Connect. It shows this, and then you can put your accounts here as the case may be. So I'm not going to do that. It's quite simple. Okay, but if you have issues on that, you could post down in the comment section. Probably I can do it. It's just a minute or two video specifically on that. Okay. You have your text, and you have various text here. You have your text from it here, where you can choose preset template of text you want to use to put in this. Now notice that this means you have to be paid for it, for you to actually use it, or it's going to have the watermark embedded in it. Although there are free ones here, and you can make yourself acquainted to it. I can use this, and I can bring this here. Okay, and I have to just edit it. Now we have group. Now let's look at all this. Okay, I'm going to come back to it. Let's look at projects. Project shows you the list of things you've been working on the project, and I will show you also where to access it. Also in the home page, you have your designs, list of designs. You have your folders. You can bring them all here in your design. I have the ones I've started. I've talked about how to check your star videos, your star templates in one of my videos. So you probably want to check up my YouTube videos, and then you can see that video I did for Canva, in talking about locating your star templates. Okay, you can just bring up anything you want to bring up. I can bring up this. It could replace the page, it could add as a new page, whatever you want to do. You can replace the current page and the likes of that. Okay, and you have your Google Drive here, which you have to connect. Your star also is here for you. Now let's talk about this. Here is when you have your formatting tool, you have your font, you have your font size, and you have your text color. You have bold, italics. If you make use of Word, this should not be an issue for you. Here you have your alignment. It could be left, it could be centralized, it could be right, it could be justified. Okay, and here you have your bulletin, right? It could be list, and then you have your spacing. You could put letter spacing, line spacing, how you want the text box to be. Do you want it to be down, middle, or up? Okay, you can animate it if you want to add some animations to it. Make the text comment, whatever. You could the same way your slide. Okay, the likes of that. Here you have you can just do that, right? Here you have you can ungroup all this. You can show the positions to it as the case may be. Also, another thing is for pictures, you can make it transparent. You could copy style from one style to another. For example, I can highlight on this. Okay, and I can come here and I'll click this, and I can apply that to here. I just have to click it. Let me do it again. I can copy it, highlight it rather, click on this, and just have to click on this, and you've been able to copy the properties format into this. Okay, now another cool thing we need to know is probably let me just go back, is the templates you have. Now in graphics, you can work on a whiteboard, you can work on presentations, you can work on your social media account, you can manage for people, you can work on videos, you can work on websites, designs of websites, and for websites you have how you can build online presence, as the case may be, how you want it to be, the designs you want to bring it on your website, and there are more of it. Okay, desktop wallpaper, college graphics, we have book covers. It's the whole picture of what you want to do with Canva. Okay, and you can also upload. If you want to upload, you could do that from either you start to browse, you could upload your photos document, will transform them into a customized one here. Okay, now another thing is the paid plan, and you come here to settings, you click on your account, it shows you your account settings. You could get the app. The app is also available, and I think it's 100 something. You could click on here to download the app. So let's do that. I think I have the app Canva. Yes, I have the app right here. You can see it's right here, and you can actually download it for Windows. It's also available for mobiles, right? For your iOS, your Androids, and your Mac operating system. Okay, it's actually very, very cool. And now if you click on account settings, you're going to discover that here you can edit, change your profile pictures. You could easy for business, use your Canva for business, or student, your teacher, or whatever. It has the option there for you. Your login and security. Now in your login and security, you can be able to sign up from all devices in case you're linked in with your system and your mobile phone. You could reset your password. Okay, now we have the email preference, where you can opt in to get notifications on their products. Finally, we talk about billings and plan. You can add people to your teams, and we're going to talk about that. If you have issues, you can always put a comment section, and I can do the video individually. Okay, we have billings and plan, and here you can pay for your subscription for it. Okay, it's advisable to just pay for a month or for a year. If you work in an organization and you want your graphic designer and you want to be fast with your design work, you can use Canva, pay for a year, and it gives you the option to just bring your creativity to life. Okay, another key thing is for I think I'm going to use I have a design here, and I'm simply going to use okay, I can use the design I did for my students. um, Excellent work, excellent performance. Okay, I've not put the pictures there, so I'm just using my picture for the sake of the video. Just want to keep it that way. Okay, so so what I'm going to do is, now for those people who are having issues, okay, how do I print my work and take it to a printer and the printer is going to print my work? It's quite simple. All you have to do is click on share, and now you can see that you can actually add people to it. You could it's just restricted to only who can access by adding them individually. You can actually do that. And you can just copy links, create the restrictions to people. You can copy the link to people and they can see it. Here I'm making it just view only, right? People should just view only. If you copy this link to people, it makes it, they have the options to actually edit the work. Okay, you can invite them for your team, and to add people individually, you can click on their name, or you can add people via here. You can use their emails to for example, I can just use a gyro and ND, which is mine, and add whatever, and you can invite them to be a collaborator in the design. Okay, another thing is, yes, we're talking about the design. So what you have to do is click on share, and click on download, and then here you click on PDF. This is best for printing. So when you click on PDF, you take it to the printer with the exact specifications you want for the banner or whatever. You just do that. If it's also is only possible if you've subscribed, so you can click on to endeavor to get a subscription. You can resize it to the exact banner size, and you can actually do that. So you click on share, you click on download, and of course you can choose the file type, and you can put this in PDF, you can put it in MP4, you can put it in GIF, as much as possible. So I hope this video helps you to be able to see how beautiful Canva is. You can click on file, and you can just show you the margin. Most time I don't use the margin, but the margin is there to just help you navigate yourself. Okay, if you want a ruler, you can put in the ruler, which is your shift plus arrow, and you can navigate with the ruler. Okay, and you can show print bleed. It shows you the areas that is going to be printed. Let me zoom in so you see. It shows you the area here that is going to be printed. Okay, and you can save it to a folder. You can just save, you can just import the file, and now we have a new feature, which is import file. You can actually import a file from your drive, or you could actually browse and bring in things directly to your design. Okay, and that is that. So I hope this video helps. Thank you so much, guys, and please do well to subscribe. Okay, and do have yourself a wonderful day.